Preparing a potato, there's a couple ways you can do it. First, I like to start by just making a flat bottom so the potato can sit nice and stable. And there's many ways you can do it. You can make French fries by cutting slices like this. And then just cutting it this direction. Or you can make smaller cubes for a sauté or a hash by cutting it into these French fry shapes and then dicing it this direction. Another wonderful thing about organic potatoes is that you can really eat the skin, and it adds a lot of flavor and texture. My mom's favorite way to prepare tomatoes. We'll just restart. My mom's favorite way to prepare potatoes is to turn them into a dish called domino potatoes. So you're going to want to start by removing the round parts of the potato, and this comes to a perfect rectangle like this. And then you're just going to slice down the potato like this. So after you've cut them like this, you're going to want to lay them out on a baking sheet and top with a little bit of butter and salt and pepper. And then you can throw them in an oven at 375 until they're golden brown and crispy.